Hi, I am George. Today I'm gonna show you my banana plant in June 2018. My bananas doing very well outside on this time of year and growing so fast. I'm happy. I grow them there in Republic of Moldova, and in the winter time I grow them inside, and just they started to grow so fast and growing babies already. So it's time to show you a tour of my banana plants. Let's see the update. This is Musa Helens hybrid banana plant, and this is the biggest banana plant that I have. It just doing great there, and was grow some leaves, beautiful leaves. Let's check closer. Very beautiful, and it is raining a little bit now. They feel very good when it's raining. They love humidity and warm. You can see so beautiful leaves. Look from another side how it looking, and I'm happy for them, and just amazing looking. So beautiful leaves it have, and there you can see the new leaf will grow soon, and will be more bigger, I think. So we will see. And you can see there babies growing already. 3 babies. One there, another one there. And look at that, what is that? Oh my god, it's great. Another Helen there I have, and this is doing very well too. You can see so many leaves was grow on this. Beautiful, very beautiful. Look at this leaf. It's bigger, and there will grow. Soon will open this leaf, and will be amazing. Another leaf. It's developing this very well. This one, so beautiful it looking. You can see, amazing. There are canna plants and doing well too. Another baby banana plant there, and the only one, and they doing great just. And there I planted avocado. I did good avocado cutting. I planted there, and how will take root. We will see. This is doing great. Banana plant that I got from Turkey, Musa Orinoco, is doing well. Was grow these leaves since when I planted direct into the ground, and this too, and doing great, looking amazing, and I hope will grow some babies. We will see. So beautiful leaf it have, you can see. So we'll see next month how it will grow. Cavendish banana plant doing very well. I planted it there in the ground, and it started to grow nicely, just amazing. Was grow this leaf, so beautiful. You can see this opening, and inside you can see the new leaf will grow soon. So this is very beautiful banana plant, and soon will grow some babies. When I planted it, I see the babies, and will grow, waiting for grow. Musa Helens hybrid. This I planted direct into the ground, and doing great. You can see the new leaf was grow, and he doing very well. I like it so much. And look, babies I cannot see, waiting for new babies. Another Helen, and this doing great too. Was grow this leaf, and this will open soon, and baby I can see there growing 2 babies. That's great news. And I will remove this. Okay, and so beautiful leaves it have in the summertime. I love these leaves. And you can see there how opening leaves at the banana plants, this variety. Another Cavendish banana plant. This I saved and it doing great. Was grow new leaves. This leaf was grow and this one too, and it's so beautiful. And there growing another one, another leaf, and it had babies. I separated them, two of them. One I give it to a friend, to my friend, and just there you can see another one is growing. So nice. And I divided the baby and planted one there, and doing great. The leaves will open soon, and so happy. This bananas Cavendish. Another Musa Helens hybrid. This I grow it inside, and now I just moved it outside to shoot. Just outside is so bright, and after that I move it back inside. Doing great, was grow so beautiful, and looking good at the leaves. Look how it looking. This leaf was grow and this too, and doing well. This banana plant, like an experiment, I cut it from there and it was grow. That's it. So we'll see in the next month how my banana plants will feel, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and have an amazing day. Greetings from Moldova, and if you want, subscribe to my channel and like and share, and bye.